Welcome back to our channel. Today we will take a quick look what is happening in the crypto market, which cryptocurrencies are going up, which coin are going down, and what's the overall status of the market. We will also see if any important news affecting the crypto market. So today's overall market cap for cryptocurrency is $2.37 trillion and market is down by 0.6%. Fear and greed index says that the market is in extreme fear. However, we will see the Bitcoin dominance today is 58.5% and the Ethereum dominance is 10.5% and other cryptocurrency is 31.1%. Investors are investing more towards the other cryptocurrencies. In last 24 hours, we see some cryptocurrencies which has shown some level of progress and the positive side. So with some known cryptocurrency, we will see the Ton coin. We can see some 4.69% on the positive side. Arbitrum is 3.75%. Ethereum we have seen the 3.40%. Along with that, the File coin has also shown 3.3%. So there's a reason behind this. There's some positive direction in all the cryptocurrencies because Bitcoin is also moving towards showing some positive direction. You will see the Bitcoin price in last 24 hours. However, we have seen some level of positive movement in the Bitcoin, whereas almost yesterday it has reached back to the $70,000. Now it has fallen back again to 67 and 68 and 69. It will go up in some time. Let's see. Now it's a weekend on a Saturday, Sunday. Mostly by next week we will see some progress in Bitcoin and along with that other cryptocurrencies as well. However, in last 1 hour, Bitcoin price has gone down to 0.17% and BTC overall current price is $68.856. XRP price is 0.86% in a positive side and XRP current price is 1.44185. Ethereum again is moving towards a positive direction. Solana and other cryptocurrencies are showing some level of progress. These are the some top 20 cryptocurrencies you see in last 1 hour. However, there are some rumors coming from the market that Bitcoin might rebound to $90,000 by March 2026. There are the few institutions like BlackRock. If you will see, they have bought some around 20.55 million BTC in last 24 hours, and this is also a signal that says that the Bitcoin also will show some positive direction in couple of weeks. So what's your thought about the crypto market, whether market will go up or down? Whatever you think, please mention on the comments below. And for such daily updates on the crypto market, please don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. Thank you for watching.